Good morning, everybody. This is Crystal with Crystal's Creations Wyckoff. How are you all doing? It's the day after Christmas. It's the beginning of Kwanzaa. And it's also Boxing Day Canada. Not like boxing, like you're gonna box somebody, but it has to do with I can't remember. I have a bunch of friends that live in Canada. So if you live in Canada, can you please explain to us that live here in the States what Boxing Day Canada means? I think one of my closest friends that I have in Canada explained to me about boxing up leftovers or boxing up gifts and giving them to, I can't remember, was it giving it to your your was it giving it to the people that work in the mansions or something like that? I don't remember. So if I'm wrong, please correct me. Please, I am probably wrong. So anyways, I wanted to show y'all in a video. My daughter got me this really beautiful crafty pen case. She got it on Amazon. It's a beautiful color. She said there was more than one color. She said there was this pretty blue color, but it had stars on it, and I'm not a big star fan. I mean, I guess other people might like stars, but I love these beautiful roses. And my grandma loves roses, and so I'm glad she got this for me because my grandma is sitting in a nursing home right now, waiting for surgery, and who knows when that will happen. So my grandma's 89 years old, so she could use a lot of prayers, and yeah. So her and I both are in the same boat. We're both getting ready to have a major surgery. So yeah. So like grandma, like granddaughter, however that goes, as that saying goes. So anyways, but this is so beautiful. It's called, what is this thing called? Shulanor or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyways, it has 4 pockets. So it does not hold alcohol markers or Copics. It might be able to hold your skinny Copics if you have the skinny ones. So anyways, I'm going to open up the first pocket. And my daughter did get me a bunch of jelly rolls for Christmas. Now, some of these I did have, and I will point those out too. So she got me all of these ones. Now, whether I can remember all the names or not, I do not. So I do not have all the packaging because I threw the packaging away. Some of the fluorescent ones I think I had, but now I don't know. These, I don't think I had. So the ones in this first pocket I did not have. I will be able to tell which ones I had. And then she got me all these glitter. These are, what are these? Glitter metallic ones. Oh, these are so pretty. You should see what they do. And then she got me these, oh, what are they? There's some of them that are gold accented colors that are one color, and then they kind of change into a gold mixed color. Oh, they're so pretty. And then she got me some like fluorescent ones or something like that. Let me see if I can turn, if I could do this real quick. So we're still going over, we still have another Christmas celebration today, so I'm trying to get this done. Let's see. Oh, no, these are soufflés. So this brand is soufflé. Okay, now it says what it's on it. Okay, and then this brand just says Jelly Roll number 8. So I don't know. I think these ones are classic. So this set is classic. And then this set here is gold. Okay, these ones here, guys, this set here, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 have gold accents in them. So when you write with them or color with them, they will have a gold tone to them. So when you let them dry, they turn a little bit of gold, but still with their colors in them. They're so cool. So then we turn the page. And then these ones here are, let's see, these ones are What are these ones? I don't know what these ones are. These ones don't say. Just say jelly roll. Oh, stardust. These ones are stardust. So these ones are stardust. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those. So 9 stardust. And then these ones I think I already had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these I already had. These Fluorescent Moonlights, I think I already had those. Yeah. And then I already had this white one. And then I have another white one, which some of these work better on dark paper, which I believe some of these do. And then these are gray tones. So those are good. And then she also got me some microns. And this pink one right here, the pink one here, I already had. And then she got me the red one, and there's these 3 other colors. And then she got me some new Tombos. She got me 7 altogether, and the rest of the Tombos I already had. So there's all my Tombos. And there's some more Tombos. And then these Arteza watercolors I already had. So she put my Arteza watercolors in here. And there's that. So there you have it. I have my own black one. And they're all by its wee little self. So I have room for some more markers. We tried to put my colored pencils in here, but I had 48 of them. And I don't have enough room because that's the end of it. So there you have it, guys. So I highly recommend this case for you to put your thin, crafty pens, jelly rolls, and Arteza markers, and your jelly rolls, and your, your Tombos. This is a great case, especially you can take it with you wherever you go. I mean, it's small enough you can take it travel with you. So have fun crafting today, if you're going to craft today, or celebrate another Christmas at a family's house today, wherever you may go. Oh, and I also wanted to show you guys one more thing before I go. My husband got me for Christmas. I wanted to show you guys. Have you guys seen this? The 3D printing pen. Look at this. I'm going to have so much fun. Check this out. I love the color of this thing. Look at this. Comes with the pen. Guys see that? Let's see if I can turn the light on. Get some more light on the subject. There we go. That's better. A pen. Comes with directions a little bit. But what you do, it doesn't come with an outlet. You don't plug it into your outlet, but you plug it into your laptop, and you can download pictures off online. And I wonder, I'm trying to think, I'm wondering if you can get pictures from SVG files, or can you do, I don't know, I'm going to have to find out from Barely Arts if I can do their SVG files that I got for free that I downloaded onto my computer, and ask them if I can use one of their SVG files, or do I have to create my own pictures because I can't draw worth a tiddly squat. And then it comes with 2 things of colored PLA. So, and then for the measurements, in case you're all wondering, where's the directions here? Where does it say? It says you can only use 1.75 plus 0.2 millimeters. That is the only kind you can use for these. You cannot get anything smaller or bigger. Okay, that is it. Nothing smaller, nothing bigger. It has to be that exact size. So, and then I have this color too, these colors that came with it. And it also has, check this out, has a stand. Kind of like what you would put one of those glue bottles in. So, has a stand, and this has a display thing on it. So, pretty cool. So, yeah, I'll be definitely playing with this on a video, you all. So, have at it. Something new to explore with on a crafty video. So, I'll definitely have fun. So anyways, hope you guys all had a great Christmas. And remember, those two winners need to come forward. Renee Allen and Pod Popper's Place. Come forth. So pretty sure it was Pod Popper's Place. I hope I got that right. I think I did. So anyways, you have until New Year's Eve. So anyways, talk to y'all later. Bye. Love y'all.